Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up email on Bluehost. So, first of all, you need to access the Bluehost app, okay? Just let me close this window and go ahead to the official website, all right? And make sure that you click get started, all right? And basically, choose the plan that fits you the most because you won't be able to continue with the steps without basically paying for the Bluehost plan to create your website. All right. After all that said and done, what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and let me go ahead and you will see the interface. Okay. So open the email and office tab from the side navigation menu to the left right here, email and office, and you get to see select email account and then click continue, right? Click the cPanel email after you click the email in office and just click the create button right here. Let me zoom in, click the plus button right here without adding anything if you haven't any, and then the first one, which is add your domain. If you have more than one domain, add the username and enter the password and the basically make sure that you enter a powerful password, of course, and in the storage space, and click plus if you if you've done everything. Okay, now on the domain, specific domain where you would like to create an email address at, the password strength meter, and as we said before, the mailbox quota. And once the user password and quota are all accurate, click the create button right here. You're gonna see it. I hit the lastly. Okay, so basically if you want to view your current email once created, click back to the email account to see right here, email and office, and you're gonna see the cPanel, and basically you're gonna be able to view your emails. Another option will be popping up for you to see your emails on Bluehost. Sorry. And once created, click back into the email account section to view your active email addresses. Right? If you want to delete an email address, under the email account, click the manage button and then scroll down to the deleted email account button, and then you're gonna be able to delete it permanently. Let me know in the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.